You ever seen this shit after you take a tire off?
No.
It looks like someone you put coffee in your fucking tire.
Really?
Literally. Brown.
Dirty air. Reflective man.
Were you happy that I stayed behind you with my hazards? All I see is you, and then I see two semis coming up behind me. I'm like, this is gonna be bad. And I just see you speed up. Are you filming?
No,
you're not
seasonal
there
light.
You're lying.
I don't see any bubbles moving, do I? I just...
It's doing something.
Yeah, it's white.
It's like expanding it too, right?
Alright, put that shit in. Fill that shit the fuck up.
On my mark!
Uno.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Tire gauge.
This has one.
This has one on it.
Yeah, but those lie.
Okay.
Why must you lie?
Be careful with your eyes.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's sealed up your nozzle. It's actually filling it the fuck up.
Start over here, this side.
Still air going in.
Shit's a ball, man.
Yo, I want to almost say go drive now.
Start up.
I guess that shit like turns into rubber.
Nah, it's still liquid.
Alright.
You can feel some metal bands.
Well,
Can you?
turn this wheel and see what's going on.
Can you see this?
The other side of your wheel looks like a condom, bro.
You may want to turn your wheel to the left and just look at it.
It's not even going.
Yo, bro, go drive. See if you can seal it that way first. That, like, that's not doing anything, bro. Go drive. Go drive now. Go fast.
Turn your wheel
Don't
first.
go fast.
Oh, inside rub. Major inside rub.
Whoa, oh, don't.
Rub on what, though? It looks like it's rubbing on something.
Why was that full lock?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to stop running on the outside.
Alright, Mike, go take it for a drive.
Here's your phone. Hopefully that seals like the fuck up.
Mike!
It's funny, look in this video, I can just see his reflective jacket.
What?
All you can see is a reflective jacket.
Oh, God. You gotta raise
This car's gonna blow up.
Don't say this car's gonna blow up.
And that's the last we saw of Mike.